So our game's starting to look pretty good, and now I think it needs some epic theme music. So I have gone into my assets folder, you can see here, and I found a couple of royalty-free music files out on the internet. And just FYI, Pygame can play OGG files and WAV files. So if you have some music in like an MP3 format that you want to use, then you're going to need to convert it before you bring it into your game. All right, so it's in my assets/music folder. So let's go ahead and get into the code. All right, so the first thing I want to do is just make some references to the files. So this is going to be our music. And I'm going to make one that's going to be my start music. And the path to this is going to be assets/music/intro.ogg, and then my theme music, call it my main theme. And this is what's going to play during gameplay. It's going to be assets music/theme.ogg. All right. And if we want to, we could put music at the end of the game as well. I'm just going to do these two stages for now, and I'll leave it up to you to figure out end game music. So, all right. So the next thing we've got to do is get the music to actually play. So I'm going to start with my my start music. And so when do I want my start music to play? Well, it's going to be when a new game is created. So I'm going to go into this function, and I'm going to add 2 lines of code. pygame.mixer.music.load, and then you do the path to the file. And then you do pygame.mixer.music.play. And this is the number of the optional values here you can type in are the number of loops and where to start. The loops is the one I care about. I'm going to put -1. And so you could put a positive number, the music will loop that many times. If you put -1, then the music will loop indefinitely. All right, so let's run this and see if it works. Turn the volume up. And seems good. Okay, so now I'd like I would like different music to play when I reach the playing stage of the game. So all we have to do is copy this, and we're going to go find the place that defines like the instant we switch from the start stage to the playing stage, and it's going to be right in here. So I'm going to paste it. Okay, so this is when the stages start and we hit a key, that's when we're going to start the main theme. And let's see if it works. And it seems to be working. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and die. And so this is the one last thing I'd like to change is when I go ahead and die, I would like the music to stop. And you may want to just play a different, maybe softer theme instead, but I'm just going to have the music stop. And so where we have to do is look for the place that is the moment we find out that the player's ship has been killed, and it's right here. And so I am going to just go ahead and add a line that is pygame.music.mixer.music.stop. And test it out. And it looks like everything worked exactly as I wanted it to. So hope you have fun picking music out for your game.